Today is May 15th, and this is Rusty. He's been here for a long time, hoping that maybe someone will come and adopt him. He's very friendly, very loving. He's about, I'm not sure. He's 3 years old and 4 months and 2 weeks. Domestic short hair. He was found outside here in Norwalk. He has FIV, but he still can be placed in a home. He's a really friendly cat. I'd love to see him get a home. This is Ollie. He's 5 years, 6 months, 1 week. He loves treats and he has FIV. And Norman is 1 year, 6 months, and he has FIV. But he has a heart murmur. Please don't stop adopting these cats. They really need a home. And they're the sweetest cats. Come on, Norman. Norman! Come on. Come on, Norman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's Ollie. These cats are also between 2 and 3. Between 1, 2, and 3 years old. Oh, I see. I know. Hi. This is Norman. And he is 5 years old. But he has the cutest face you ever want to see in a cat. He really is. He's really sad because he really needs a home. These cats are good in any home. Please come to see him at Paws today, or make an appointment with the adoption counselor, and they'll be able to show him to you. He's really sweet. He loves treats. He took treats right out of my hand when I gave them to him. They just need homes really bad. They've been here for so long. I just want them to be placed in a home. They are FIV, but please don't be discouraged from adopting them because they're really good cats. And they just need love and attention. I started back in March, and they've been pretty much here ever since. They need a home really bad. So please come check them out. He's really where it goes on. And there is a fundraiser the 24th. It's on a Wednesday. And it's to help raise money for Paws. So please come out. Tickets are $20. If you have the time, please try to make the fundraiser. It's on O'Neill's here in Norwalk. And it's a great opportunity to help with food and vet care for the cats and for the dogs too. I just brought in some donations, so please come by and take a look at them. And that's Ollie. He's a really nice cat. These are really good cats. They just want lots of love and attention.